Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I wanted to share something that I purchased from Morphe with you. It's only one item, so I thought that we would take a fun look at it. We'll do swatches and we'll gather some thoughts on it. This is the new Morphe 35 eye palette and it is called Icy Fantasy. It is a collaboration palette, but when I saw that Morphe came out with a pastel-y kind of rainbow palette, I had to snatch this. It is unlike anything I own in my collection and I was so excited to get my hands on this. Rainbowy oil spill kind of thing it's absolutely beautiful. This is holographic here. The Morphe's in holographic. You'll also get a name sheet. And there is all the beautiful shades. Is this palette not stunning? It's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to get into swatching. Here is row 1. I'm going to swatch them off camera. There's no primer or secondary base on my arm. So far, I'm really impressed. I did see a lot of mixed reviews. Some people were like, oh, these are powdery, they're chalky, blah blah blah. None of that matters to me. We can work around it. Here we have row number 2. Very beautiful. Look at those beautiful duochrome shades. And yes, as stated, they will come up a little sheer, some of them, but oh my, look how beautiful. This is row number 3. Look how beautiful. This palette also has a mixture of mattes and shimmers, as you can probably already tell. There is a pressed glitter also in this palette. Row number 4. This actually has two multi-dimensional shades here. That's the green one I was referring to, and here is a darker, what appears to be a darker green, greenish blue. And there those are. And the last shade actually reminds me of Fishnet from Urban Decay, or Stars and Rockets, I believe, from MAC. Not entirely sure. It's like a magenta fuchsia shade with that blue flash in it. Row number 5 is next. Another thing I want to point out that I really love about this palette is it's not all pastels, it's not all duochromes. You have some darker shades, and some of the darker shades are matte. Also point out there is 2 matte Ideal highlights in the palette too, so you can complete full looks with this palette and just using the pastels or just using the darks. And this palette just really caught my eye. I had to have it. But that's row number 5, and you'll see here is the pressed glitter. Very beautiful, very dense as well. I love it. Those beautiful dark shades. Most of these darker shades are shimmery. Overall, first thoughts on the palette. Besides the fact that I'm already in love with it, I haven't even used it yet, I just got it. But the shades are nice and creamy, just like you would expect a Morphe eyeshadow. They are pigmented, some are powdery, some are sheer, but you know, that's neither here nor there. That's with a lot of palettes. You're going to find hits and misses within all of your palettes most of the time, and this is no different. I think that if you are a makeup collector, or just, you know, just love makeup in general, and you don't have anything like this in your collection, I would definitely pick it up, especially if you've been searching for some nice duochromes or some pastel-y rainbow shades. There's some multi-chromes in here, there's that pressed glitter, there's some beautiful darker tones down here. So overall, I definitely recommend this palette, just based on first opening, swatching, unboxing. Like, this palette I know I'm already gonna love. I love Morphe, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and swatches. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Stay tuned for tutorials using this. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional Morphe links. Thank you so very much for watching.